Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how to pass array as a parameter to the function. So why this is the discussion in pointers concepts means passing array is nothing but call by reference, that's not call by value. Why I'll explain. See, in the main function I'm taking one array. Suppose integer array values we are taking, suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values we are taking. Now this will get memory. Here it is, main will get memory allocation, main. Inside that A will get memory, A holds the address. Address of what? Here array will get side by side memory allocations 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It holds some address. That address will be stored here. Remember that array variable always holds base address of the memory block. Base address of memory block. Remember, array variable will not store the value. Array variable always stores address. See, what type of variable stores address? Pointer variable, na? Array is also pointer variable. Remember, this square bracket is exactly equals to the pointer. Remember the point. Now see here what we are doing. We are just writing one function, modify function, modify. I am calling this modify function, modify, passing A. A means array. Array we are passing as an input to the function. This array we need to collect here. Sir, how can we? Same integer type variable you need to declare. Integer type variable, that is X. So, modify also will get memory. In that method, X holds address. Because A we are passing, A is not array. Values will not copy. Only address will come and store into this one. Then this is pointing to this one. Both are pointing to same memory location only. See, suppose here what we are doing, we are repeating one for loop, for I is equals to 0, I less than or equals to less than 5, I plus plus, because size is of 5. Simply what we are doing, x of I is equal to x of I plus 1. I am writing this one. Just to understand practically. Here I value 0, x of 0 means x of 0 value 2. 2 plus 1, 3 will store into the same location. It will be 3. It will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Because for every value we are adding 1. By this we can understand, okay, with the help of address, if you modify, it is changing the values in these locations only. So once this function execution is over, it will go back now. Here, with the help of one variable declaration I, we are just printing I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and simply we are printing %d, that is A of I printing. A of I. Here A of I, A of 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 because we are modifying here. Remember, there is no pointers concept here. But remember, this one square brackets is exactly equals to this pointer. And how can we write this prototype? Void, of course, return type. I didn't mention here. Method name is a modify and this is integer array. Integer array. This is the simple way of representing pointers, but this is not a pointer concept. It's an internal pointer concept. Passing array as an argument to function is nothing but call by reference. You are passing address, not the value. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.